Yesterday, the president said the 145% tariff on goods from China will come down substantially, but not completely. In an impromptu appearance on the White House North Lawn today, the president told reporters that talks are underway with China on a potential trade deal.
We are going to have a fair deal with China. It's going to be fair.
Are you talking to them actively now?
Actively. Everything's active. Everybody wants to be a part of what we're doing.
We are just 2 days out from price hikes that all shoppers need to know about. The Trump administration's tariffs means that items shipped from China will soon cost a lot more.
KDKA consumer investigator Megan Schiller asked a local leading economist about what to expect.
Forget those $11 jean shorts or $1 glass cups. The Chinese e-commerce sites Shein and Temu will raise prices starting April 25th because of tariff increases. This sporty jacket sold for $6.76 just last month. It's already up to $8.23 on Shein, and the hike didn't even hit yet. Economist Gus Fauché weighs in.
The increase in tariffs means that the importer is going to have to pay an extra tax on that, and to some extent they're going to pass that along to consumers, so that means we're going to be paying higher prices for many of the goods that we buy.
Fauché says even if we don't buy foreign goods ourselves, American companies compete with these foreign companies, so they might raise prices too. And right now the tariff against China sits above 100%.
That basically means that the price is going to double to import it to the United States. And in addition, some Temu and Shein, they were able to send packages directly to consumers without having to pay the tariffs. The rules have changed now, so even if it's a small cheap item, they have to pay the tariffs, and so their prices are going to go up.
Both Shein and Temu issued customer notices. Shein saying, "We're doing everything we can to keep prices low and minimize the impact on you." Temu said, "Due to recent changes in global trade rules and tariffs, our operating expenses have gone up." Fauché expects big price increases because it's just the way these companies are set up.
Obviously, they don't want to increase their prices too much because that's going to drive away consumers. On the other hand, they have very low profit margins. They profit by selling high volumes at low profit margins at low prices. And so they don't have room to absorb higher tariffs in their profit margins.
Meaning consumers will turn to products sold from other countries where tariffs aren't quite as high. His advice to consumers is this.
Consumers can continue to try to be price conscious, and they, obviously with the internet, it's easier to comparison search for things like that. I think that they can talk with their elected officials and say, what are you doing to help keep inflation low? But I think it is going to be a difficult period for consumers and for businesses over the next few months until we get more certainty. It becomes clear what the tariff outlook is.
Because Fauché says it is possible that the Trump administration could roll back these tariffs in a matter of weeks or months. But he says in the near term, it definitely means higher prices for all consumers. In the newsroom, I'm Megan Schiller, KDKA News.